Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, STAAD Pro, ETABS, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contain 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of vertical shaped U-shaped building by using STAAD Pro V8i software. So I will explain you how to do the modeling process of the U-shaped building as per the elevation point of view, and how to do the analysis process, and how to do the designing process, and how to do the foundation design by using STAAD Pro V8i software. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering. So let's start our video. So here I am selecting my STAAD Pro V8i software. Now I am selecting new project option here. Select the spacing, give the structure name. Before giving the structure name, initially we will create the folder in the desktop. Just I am creating the folder name is U. So just I am giving here U shape. So again we have to select this particular 3 dots here. So here I am selecting U. Click on OK. Select the meter as well as the kilometer. Click on next option. Click on finish option. Now after this we have to model the building structural model. So for that, initially I am selecting geometry option. Click on run structure wizard option. So here I am selecting frame models, bay frame option. So for the U-shaped building structural model, I am considering G+11 story, which is approximately equal to 12 story. 12 multiplied by 3, which is approximately a 48 meter height. So just I am selecting length of the building. I am assuming as per my assumption 48 meter length. I am assuming, and height will be a 48 meter. Again in the same process I am assuming width of the building, just I am taking here as 24 meter. So here I am selecting 24. Again number of base along length direction, just I am assuming 12 numbers. Height direction is also 12 numbers, and width direction just I am taking here as 6 number. Okay. Click on apply option. Now we can see this is the building model. So now we have to cancel this option. Click on S option. Click on OK in order to import the model from structure wizard to STAAD Pro V8i software. Now you can see it was imported here. After this we had to add the slab section for this. Just I am selecting here. So we have to cut this slab section at this particular level. Just I am selecting this slab. Go to click on the cut section command. Select to view, highlighted only. Click on OK option. Now we have to add the slab section for this particular portion. So initially we will measure the distance as per my assumption. Just I was taken 4 meter cross 4 meter dimensions for this level. So now I am adding 4 node plate. Select first point, second point, third point, again fourth point. Now we will select the 4 node plate option. So we will select this particular plate. We have to copy this plate to 11 numbers in X direction. Go to click on the transitional repeat X direction, which is consisting of 11 numbers, and each will be consisting of 4 meter length. Click on OK option. Again in the same process we have to select these points. Again I am selecting this Z direction condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is consisting of 5 number. Each will be consisting of 4 meter. Click on OK. Now after this we have to click on whole structure command. Just I am selecting this particular slab. Go to transitional repeat in Y direction. Just we have to consider the number of steps are 11. Each will be consisting of 4 meter. Click on OK option. Now we have to make this as U-shaped building. So for that we have to select the beams. So now I need to delete some of the members which are presented at this particular portion level. So for that just I am selecting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now we can see it is having beams and columns. It is not necessary for this portion here. So just I am selecting these portions. Click on delete option in the keyboard so that it will delete the members which are presented here for this building model. In the same process we have to delete the slab sections which are presented here. So for that just I am selecting the plate cursor. Just I am selecting these plates. Go to edit option. Click on delete option. So click on OK so that it will make the structural model into U-shaped structure as per our elevation point of view. Okay, so click on OK. Now it is deleting the nodes here. Now we can see it is make as U-shaped structure. Now we will see this model in 3D rendering view here. So now we can see this is the 3D rendering view for the U-shaped building structural model by using STAAD Pro software. Now after the modeling process done, we had to add the dimensions of the beams and columns. For that, go to click on general option, click on define option, select rectangular pattern which is consisting of the dimensions is 0.69 cross ZD is 0.46. Just I am assuming here, click on OK. Again I am selecting 0.69 cross 0.69 as the column dimensions. Now we will select the thickness. Just I am taking as 150 mm is the thickness, or else you can consider 180 mm is the thickness for this slab section. Now we will select the 0.69 cross 0.69. We will select beams parallel to X condition, sorry, not X direction. Why? Because these members are considered as columns. Go to select beams parallel to Y direction. Click on assign to selected beams option, assign option, yes option. Now we will select 0.69 cross 0.46 which is related to the beams. Go to select the beams in X condition. Again select beams in Z direction. Assign to selected beams option, assign option, yes option. Now we will select the plate thickness for these members. Assign to view, assign yes option here. Now after this we will assign the support condition system. Select the supports, create option, add, select support to, and select the front view. We will apply the support conditions at the base for this building model. Now after this we have to apply the load cases. Select the loads and definition. Initially we will define the seismic load definition. Just I am selecting seismic, click on add, select as per IS code 1893/2002/2005, click on generate option. As per my assumption, just I am taking this particular building is considered in zone 5 seismic condition. So just I am selecting zone which is related to the 5th zone condition system. So response reduction factor for the special RC movement resisting importance factor, just I am selecting medium cell condition. So click on generate option. Now after this we had to click on the damping ratio. We had to change that value to 0.05. Click on add button. Now we will add the self-weight condition factor. Again we will add the member weight which is the combination of wall load condition system which is approximately equal to 24.3 kilonewton per meter. Add here, close here. Select uniform load. Go to select option, beams parallel to X. Again I am selecting beams parallel to Z. Assign to selected beam, assign yes option. Again we will define the wind load condition system, wind definition, add button. Select wind 1 type 1, close, select wind 1 type 1, add. So we can add the intensity as per our assumption. Otherwise if you want to calculate as per AAC code, you can calculate here by using calculate as per AAC code, and select the AAC code. And building category you can select as per assumption. Just I am selecting category 3 with 44 meter per second intensity. Exposure factor will be of B. So click on apply option. Again I am selecting main building data which is having 48 meter is the height of the building, and length of the building is 48, and width of the building is 24. Instead of feet we will select it as meter, meter, meter. Click on apply. Again we will select building design pressure, windward pressure, click on apply option. If you want to edit the CP value, you can edit the CP value as per your assumption 0.86. Click on apply option, click on OK option, so that it will add the condition system here like this. Click on add. Again we will add the exposure factor as 1. Click on add, click on close option here. Now after this we will select the exposure factor. By using assign to view we will assign these properties. Now after this we will add the load cases details. Click on add button. Select initially the seismic which is related to EQX. Click on add. Again we will add EQZ. Click on add option. Again we will add the wind load which is related to wind load in X direction condition. Add button. Wind load which is in Z direction condition. Add button. Now we will add the dead load. DL add button. Again we will add the live load. LL add button, close option. Earthquake load in X direction. Click on add button here. Select the load which is related to seismic X direction with the factor 1. Add button here. Again we will close this. Select earthquake load in Z direction. Click on add button. Again we will select the seismic condition system with Z direction will be of Z. Click on add, close. Now I am selecting wind X. Click on add. Now we will add the wind load as per the windward direction pressure 1 factor, add. Again we will add as -1, add, close. Now we will select wind Z, click on add button, condition system, wind direction which is of Z direction, windward pressure, click on add button. Again I am adding the factor as -1, click on add button, close button. Now after this select the dead load, add here, add the self-head condition system as -1 factor. Next we will select the member load, which is the combination of external wall, internal wall as well as the parapet wall load. Okay, so we will calculate the wall loading condition system as per our assumption. Just I am calculating here. So as per my assumption, just I am taking 0.23 is the external wall thickness. I am multiplying this value with 3 meter height. I am multiplying this respected value with 20, so that it will make it as 13.8 kilonewton per meter is the intensity of the external wall load. In the same process for the internal wall, just I am taking 0.125 multiplying 20 and again multiplying this 3 meter, so that it will make it as 7.5. Again in the same process, 0.125 is the thickness of parapet wall load, 1.2 meter is the height of the parapet wall load, and 20 is the unit weight of the brickwork. So 3 plus 7.5 plus 13.8, which make the value as 24.3. We have to apply this 24.3 kilonewton per meter value with minus direction at the downward portion for this dead load condition system. Add here. Again we have to add the floor load condition, which is related to the load case of marbles and tiles which are presented at that portion. So here I am assuming the floor load condition pressure, just which it is consisting of -2.5, which is acting at a distance of 3 meter as well as a 48 meter. Click on add option here. Again in the same process we had to add the live load. Just I am adding load which is related to the floor load of -5, which is acting at a distance of 3 and 48 here. Click on add, close. Now I am selecting this -24.3. we have to apply for the beams. For that go to select beams parallel to X. Again I am selecting beams parallel to Z condition system. So we have to click on the assign to selected beams option for applying of the wall load condition system as per our assumption. Click on assign option, click on S option. Now in the same process we will select the self-head condition system. By using assign to view option, we have to assign to the property here like this. Now after this we have to add the load combination. Select the load case and details, click on add, select the load combination, calculate as per AC, not AC, Indian code, general structure, generate option. Click on add button, click on close option. Now we will do the analysis process once again. Analysis and print, add, close, go to analyze option, run analysis option, save option. So now we have to check for the zero errors for this building model as per the considered data. So after the analysis process done, I will show you the results which is related to the analysis results by using STAAD Pro V8i software for the U-shaped building as per the elevation point of view. Now we can see here as per the analysis point of view, it is showing 0 errors and 1 warning. Go to post processing mode, click on done option, apply your load cases, click on OK. Now we can see it will show you the complete deflection diagram for this building model as per the azimuth data. Now we can see it is showing the deflection diagram here like this. Now after this we will see the shear force diagram. Go to click on Fy value. Now we can see this is the shear force diagram for this building model as per our azimuth data. In the same process we will select the bending moment diagram, MZ value. Now we can see this is the bending moment diagram as per our azimuth data. Now we will see the pressure, plate pressure, stress type is absolute pressure. Click on apply, click on OK. Now we can see it is showing the plate pressure for this U-shaped building. Now you can see we are done with complete analysis process of U-shaped building by using STAAD Pro V8i software. Now we have to move to designing process. For that go to click on the modeling, click on design option, concrete frame design. We will select the code book as per IS 456-2000 code. Initially we will select the parameter. So deselect all the selected parameters firstly. From this we have to pick compressed strength, yield strength, maximum main, maximum secondary. So click on OK option. Now we will select the defined parameter. I am assuming M30 grade 30,000, just I am taking here for this building. Click on add button. Fy main, just I am assuming here as Fe 500 grade steel 500,000. Click on add option. Just I am adding here. Again I am selecting FI section 500, 1, 2, 3, 500,000, click on add option. Maximum main, just I am selecting here as 20 mm diameter. Maximum secondary 12 mm I am adding here. Go to click on the comments option. Add a design beam command, design column command, slab element command and take off command, close option here. Now we will select this question marks. We have to assign to the properties as per our considerations. Select FC by using assign to view. We have to apply for all the building. Select FI main by using assign to view. We have to apply for all the building. Section reinforcement assign to view. Assign yes option. We have to apply here. Maximum main. We have to assign to view. Assign yes option. So again select maximum secondary. Assign to view. Assign yes option. Design beam command. Go to select option. Beams parallel to X condition system. Again I am selecting beams parallel to Z condition system. Assign to selected beams. Assign yes option. So select the design column command here. Go to select option. Beams parallel to Y direction condition. Assign to selected beams. Assign yes option. Design element by using assign to view. Assign yes option here. Now after this we have to do the analysis process. Analysis and print. ID or no print. Close option. Go to analyze option. Run analysis option. Save option here. It will check for the errors as per your assumed data. Here you can see it was done with complete analysis process. Go to post processing mode, click on done option. So now we have to check for the reinforcement values. Just I am selecting this particular beam. You can see here. Click on the concrete design. Now we can see it is completely showing the reinforcement values which are presented inside this beam as per the assumed dimensions. It requires approximately 4 bars of 20 mm at the top, 7 bars of 10 mm at the bottom. In the same process, if you want, you can select any one of the beam so that it will show you the complete reinforcement design results for the beam. In the same process, if you want to see the results for the column, you can select here, click on the column design so that it will show you the complete number of the bars and bar size which is presented and percentage of the bars and AST requirement for this particular building. In the same process, you can see the column. So it will show you the complete column reinforcement design results for this particular column. So if you want to see the report, you can click on the STAAD output file so that it will show you the complete report which is consisting of the results of the beams, columns and each and every calculations which is presented as per the analysis and as per the design of the U-shaped building by using STAAD Pro V8i software. It is loading the number of the pages here. It is approximately 1967 pages are loaded. It is having all the reinforcement values and reinforcement calculation as per our assumed data. Now you can see we are done with complete designing of the beams, columns as well as the slab by using STAAD Pro V8i. Now we have to do the foundation design by using STAAD Pro V8i software. For that, go to click on the foundation design. Select the primary load cases from this particular list. So here you can see we are selecting the primary load cases. Include option, click on run STAAD foundation. The fixed supports related to the G+10 story building of the U-shape will be directly imported to STAAD foundation software. So from STAAD foundation software, we can pick the parameters. According to assumed parameter, we can design the foundation design. Firstly, we will select loads and factors here. So initially we had to click on the create load combination. Okay, so otherwise click on directly generate load combination. Firstly, we will select the Indian code here and click on the generate load combinations. Again, in the same process, we have to generate the load combination for the ultimate load also. Now we are created load combination for the service. Now we will create for the ultimate load combination. So click on the generate load combination for the ultimate load combinations. So click on OK option here. After this, we have to click on the job setup here. Click on create new job. Next I am taking here as U shape and isolated footing I am selecting according to Indian, and we will select the load combinations here like this. Include option, click on create job option so that it will create the isolated footing job information here. Click on the place mark, concrete and rebar values. If you want, you can change the parameters. Just I am keeping it as constant for this building. Click on design option directly, click on yes option here so that it will show you the complete reinforcement design results after designing process for the foundation as per IS 456-2000 code provision standard system. Now we can see it was done with complete calculation. It is showing the isolated footing design results here like this. You can select any one of the foundation from this particular list. It is showing the complete reinforcement design results and calculations which is presented for this particular footing as per the IS 456-2000 code. In the same way, you can see the results of the another foundation as per assumed data. So this is the geometry of this particular footing, and this is the details and drawing which is presented here, and it is consisting of the all the reinforcement diagram values which is having for this members. Okay, you can see here it is having all the reinforcement value for the foundation. This is a detailed drawing and this is a GA drawing. This is the calculation sheet as per IS 456-2000 code. So this is the complete process of analysis and designing of the U-shaped vertical U-shaped building structural model by using STAAD Pro V8i software. Generally, this type of the U-shaped building will be used in the offices, commercial offices as well as the software companies. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box, and see you in the next one.